Hey guys, it's Little Kelly for EVA/Forever. I'm going to be showing you some of my slime pet peeves. So, here we go. When the slime is too hard. And you can't even poke it.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand. Please be quiet. No. Oh, God.
What?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Stop it. Get some help.
Ew. When they take too long to show the container, just to show off the slime. So yeah guys, this is slime. And it looks pretty awesome. So, yeah. And it looks really cool because inside of it, there's slime and it's white slime. And I think that's cool. And it looks really neat and really awesome. So, yeah. And you can see the container and everything. And there's the slime. It's really great and all. When they have bad lighting. When the area is a mess. And they won't clean it up. Even if they use the slime to pick some up, it's still a giant mess. Using random objects for slime. What? What in the world? Why a comb? How are you supposed to comb your hair now? Why? Why? Why?
Quiet.
When the slime is smaller than the thumbnail. Ooh. What? What? What?
Stop it. Get some help.
When they can never get the slime out the container, and then they put it in a different container to show you. Yeah.
And today I'm going to show you this slime. So, yeah. First of all, let's just talk about the bubbles. The bubbles are absolutely amazing, and the slime texture is absolutely amazing.
3 hours later.
And yeah, that's the slime.
So yeah, guys, those are just a couple of my slime pet peeves. And some of them I cannot handle at all. Others, I can take it, but I'd rather not. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.